Hi, so this is the demo video that is associated with the article about how to create a custom chatbot in Python by using a vector database and OpenAI ChatGPT. The key point is when we say custom chatbot, it means a chatbot that answers questions based on a particular knowledge base. And even though ChatGPT limits the prompt size, you can still handle an infinite sized database using this technique. So that's what this demo is all about. Now, it's not a, what I want to show you is the chatbot that we have created, and it's not a really pretty user interface or anything, but this chatbot is called Wisdom Bot. And what happens is that you can ask it questions, life questions, and the way it works, or the custom knowledge base, is that we have a database of quotes from all sorts of wise people, like about many different topics. And what we do is that based on the question asked by the user, we pull up the appropriate quotes. And once we have those quotes, we create a prompt which is sent to ChatGPT, and it tries to answer the question based on that. So let's ask it the first question: how to not be worried about the future. So here the code is running, and it takes a little bit of time because a lot of stuff is happening, pulling up the codes, talking to ChatGPT, so on and so forth. But then this is the answer. The general idea from all the codes is that you should not worry about the future because it has not happened yet and you do not know what will happen, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so that's the first question. Let me now run the second question. And this one is how to stop worrying about what others think of you. Okay, again, it's going to do its whole thing. And in the next question, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you the prompt that's generated. So how to stop worrying. The general idea from all the codes is you're not worried because their opinion does not matter. What matters is your opinion of yourself. You should live life for yourself and not others, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Finally, let me come here and say how to stop being a perfectionist, but this time I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to also show you the prompt that we are sending over to ChatGPT. Okay, so not only the question and the answer, so that you can actually see how everything comes together. So this time we'll print out pretty much the whole thing. Hold on. Okay, so what happens here is that this is the quote, this is the prompt, right? Below are some quotes from wise people about how to be a perfectionist, and then here are the quotes: have no fear, perfection, you'll never reach it. If you look for perfection, you'll never be content, blah, blah, blah. So there's all this quotes by wise people, 10 quotes. And then the general idea from all the quotes that perfection is unreachable and unrealistic goal. Everyone has flaws, and what makes them unique and special, and blah, blah, blah. Okay. So that's the point of this whole thing, right? It from our knowledge base, it extracts the most relevant pieces of information, constructs a prompt for ChatGPT. Based on that prompt, it finally answers the question. So not a pretty user interface, but that's the demo, and pretty much all of the aspects of it are working. So read the article to figure out how all of this comes together and how it all works. Thanks.